20 Salad here, and this is another. Well, this is my first movie review. You see, I got all my
Cars 2
cousins.
was the best.
Wait. I got my cousin Camila, my cousin Alexa, my cousin Fernandito, right there. And my other cousin Karina. And you guys all know Little Salad. So today's review is going to two movies. Cars 2. Cars 2 is a very emotional movie. There's a lot of emotional parts. What are you doing? What do you think about the movie, Karina?
Me?
Yeah, what do you think about the movie?
I think it was an awesome movie, but sad parts, don't cry. Or you will, your baby. I almost cried.
Me too.
So, I cried. It was really sad, but you need to watch it. Great. Bad teacher, do not watch it. You need to be 13. Take an adult with you. That's the point.
So, bad teacher. Your parents would take you for 13. I'd suggest your parents take you
I would
when
think
you're
9.
13. He went when he was 9 because, you know, he's the youngest. He's a spoiled one. There's some nasty parts on it. Oh man, it's getting kind of crowded up. Well, subscribe.
If you love tacos.
If you love tacos.
Link to my channel, my face. And thanks for watching. Leave a comment about the next movie I should review. And have a great summer, guys. Oh yeah, I'm going to California for a month, so I won't be uploading for a month.
Yeah, JJ will.
No, Jay won't, 'cause he's coming with me.
Oh yeah.
So
Then nobody will.
So have a good summer, and I'll
We might
come
make
back in a month.
We might make some while we're there if we can.